spark, but sparks die. Discipline is the fire that never stops burning. If you're tired of starting again, stop relying on motivation. Start building discipline, the one thing that doesn't care how you feel, it just gets the job done. Today, we're diving into a truth that most people never realize, and that's why they stay stuck. A truth that separates winners from quitters, successful people from dreamers, and achievers from those who only wish. And that truth is simple. Motivation fades. Discipline wins. Every time. Most people start their journey with excitement. They say, from tomorrow, I'll wake up early. From next week, I'll hit the gym. Soon, I'll work on my goals. And for a day or two, they do it. They feel motivated. They feel unstoppable. They feel like this time everything will change. But then, life happens. Emotions change. Energy drops. Comfort starts calling again. And motivation disappears. You know exactly what I'm talking about. There are days when you wake up energized, ready to conquer the world. And there are days when even lifting your head feels heavy. This is where 99% fail, because they depend on motivation and emotion that comes and goes. But the top 1%, they depend on something stronger, discipline, a commitment that stays even when motivation leaves. Let me tell you something powerful. Motivation is based on feelings. Discipline is based on decisions. Motivation asks, do you feel like working? Discipline says, we work whether you feel like it or not. Motivation is a guest. Discipline is a permanent resident. Think about the most successful people in the world: athletes, entrepreneurs, creators, leaders. Do you think they wake up every day motivated? Of course not. But they wake up disciplined. They train even when they're tired. They study even when they're bored. They practice even when nobody is watching. They work even when they feel like giving up. Because they understand one thing. If you only work on the days you feel good, you will never reach the life you dream of. There is a huge difference between someone who wants success and someone who is committed to success. Motivation wakes you up for a few days. Discipline wakes you up for a lifetime. Let's break it down. Number 1, discipline builds habits. When you repeat an action every single day, it becomes a habit. And habits run your life, even when you're tired, sad, or unmotivated. Discipline creates these habits that keep you moving forward without thinking. Number 2, discipline doesn't care about mood. You might feel lazy, you might feel sad, you might feel stressed, but discipline says, get up. We have work to do. You don't negotiate with your goals, you show up. Number 3, discipline beats talent. A talented person who is inconsistent will lose to an average person who is disciplined every single time. Consistency creates mastery. Mastery creates success. Number 4, discipline protects you from excuses. Excuses come easily. I don't have time. I don't feel like it. I'll start tomorrow. But discipline destroys excuses. It reminds you why you started. It pushes you through the discomfort. It turns your I can't into I must. Number 5, discipline turns you into your future self. Your future self is strong, focused, successful. And that version of you is created by what you do today, not what you feel today. Every action you take becomes a brick in the foundation of your future. Now listen closely. You do not rise to the level of your motivation. You fall to the level of your discipline. If your discipline is weak, your dreams will always stay dreams. If your discipline is strong, your dreams will become reality, even if your motivation fades. So here's the truth nobody likes to hear. Motivation is easy. Discipline is hard. But that is exactly why discipline changes your life. Because the things that matter the most are often the hardest to do. So how do you build discipline? Start small. Do something every day, even if it's tiny. Read 1 page. Walk for 10 minutes. Write for 5 minutes. Wake up 10 minutes earlier. Small wins create big change. And every time you keep a promise to yourself, you build confidence. Every day you show up, even when you didn't want to, you build power. And slowly you transform into someone unstoppable. This is the mindset that will take you to the top. Show up. Do the work. Repeat. No excuses, no breaks from your dreams. Because in the end, motivation may start your journey, but discipline finishes it. Motivation is a spark. Discipline is the fire. And fire burns forever.